All right, what's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to update your Insta360. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro. Pretty much what you want to do is you want to connect it to the app. Okay, so you download the Insta360 app. Pretty straightforward. We've all done this before. If you haven't downloaded the app, go to the App Store and download it. All right, once you are connected, it's going to find your device. Once your device pops up, Ace Pro, click on it. It's going to connect to the device. You just confirm on the Insta360, and then from there, it's going to load up. Give it some time. Allow suggested Wi-Fi networks. Device may connect automatically. Hit allow, connect to your device, and boom, you're connected. Now, I always allow a lot of things on the thing. Now, new firmware update, as you can see. It popped up for me. Sometimes you got to go into the settings if you don't see it appear. But this is firmware 1.0.80. Added a new clear color profile to enhance facial brightness and skin tone, improve clarity, zoom for a better experience. Yeah, I'm definitely going to download that update. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you update. You connect it to the app, boom, it's updated. Go to the settings, like I said again, if it doesn't pop up for you, but that's how you do it. As you can see on the Insta360, it's loading the firmware. Don't disconnect your device at all. It'll take a few minutes to verify. Now it's updating the firmware, as you can see. Update successful. Now it's going to restart and everything's complete. And if you wanted to use your phone to tap into your device, you could. But pretty much the firmware is up to date with the newest and latest firmware 1.0.80. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.